Beautiful. Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Northeast Expanse. We are out on the brook where we were last episode. Let me show you what we're doing. So last time I was here, this whole area was all iced over. I'm pretty excited right now. Everything's cleared up. If you watched the last episode, I was digging up and over that little hill right there. This is the overflow, and the brook is up above. So this only runs when the water is in high volume. There's a nice area where the gravels have kind of leveled out. So the theory here is that when the volume's coming real heavy this way, and this is kind of a level area, there's humps in here. So there's not many places that the material can really go unless there's a major storm event that sweeps out this whole area. Sluice is all set up. Let's get digging. It's a great day out here today. I'm gonna start packing it up and then take the long ride home. It's about 38 degrees out right now, so Spring is like knocking on the doorstep of New England. It's trying to break in. It's spring on the calendar. Yesterday was 60, and there's still snow out in this portion of northwestern Massachusetts. Everything heading towards Boston is completely bare ground. See you guys at the house. Here's the concentrates. Okay, so I got the number 10 classification right here, and this is what has to be classified next. This stuff is so heavy though. I have a feeling that this was the brook that was feeding that bus boulder. If you guys saw that episode, that stuff was super heavy. This brook is literally around 2 bends from that bus boulder. Here's all the material classified down. This 40 minus, this little container, I'm going to say it probably weighs 6 pounds. I have a feeling there's going to be an absolute ton of magnetics. Wow. Okay. So I got all the magnetics removed, and most of this came from the 40 minus, and here's the bigger magnetics. So there's a pretty good amount in this. The 40 minus, I reduced probably about 1/3 of this container was magnetite. There was a lot of garnet sands in here. If you've ever panned garnet sands, you know the pain. These things are just, they're impossible. Everything's panned out. Here's the bits from the 10 plus classifier, what was left in there. Here's the bits that were left from 10 minus all the way to 40 plus. You can see some iron. That piece right there on the far right. That piece in the middle of the screen. And to that far left. There's one more thing I wanted to show you. This material, in one of the episodes, I had held it up on a pair of tweezers to ask anyone if they knew what it was. I found more of it at the brook again. It's the heaviest stuff I've ever seen in a pan. And hopefully it gets a close-up. It's extremely heavy. It leaves this dark gray streak. I was thinking tungsten, then I was thinking, is this platinum? I can't figure it out. Let me show you what it looks like when it's wet. Here's just how shiny this stuff is. You can see that silver shine, and it just doesn't really move. It just sticks there. It's funny because when you think about the different things you find with gold, this one, this stuff might even be heavier than gold. I'm pretty sure. If this was something like pyrite, it would just be flinging around the pan. Here's a couple pieces up close. I mean, is this platinum? It kind of looks like it. I'm not sure. Anybody who's into geology, this I've been looking for answers for weeks. And what's funny is this piece on the right, it's real flat on the top. This stuff's super shiny. It's like a silver shine to it, but it appears kind of silver black. But the sides of it have all this texture to it, but it's flat, so it got sheared off of something. This stuff is like a mirror. I've never seen anything shine like this. I'm thinking meteorite. If you think you got the answers to what that mineral is, please help me out. Let me know. Leave it in the comments section. And I want to thank you for watching. I really appreciate the continued support. And if you guys want to help the channel grow, I'm trying to get the channel to grow a little bit. Just, who knows, maybe I'll pay for a tank of gas to get out there someday to these locations. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Take care, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. Be well. Just fell over.